Are you eager to learn how to drive? Choose the driving school that makes learning how to drive easy. With Tecnic, you'll have the best odds of passing your road test at the SAAQ. Our approach makes learning easy. It's based on educational tools and methods that have proven their effectiveness over the years. By respecting the SAAQ Road Safety Education Program, we will be with you every step of the way, no matter what road you take. This video will teach you about our driving program's 4 phases, how long each phase takes, and the different tests and tools available to help you succeed. You'll start Phase 1 by completing the prerequisite for the learner's license. In Phase 2, you'll start to learn to drive on the road with a guide. Next, you'll move on to Phase 3, semi-guided driving. Then you'll finish the program by moving from semi-guided to independent driving, a clear and structured road with straightforward guidelines. Our goal is simple. We want to help you become a safe driver. Now, why should you choose Tecnic? Amongst other things, Tecnic offers qualified, experienced, and dedicated teachers, free roadside assistance for a year, flexible payment terms, possibility to schedule your courses online, effective learning tools. Are you ready? Get on board with Tecnic. Go to tecnic.ca to register. You will then be able to access your file, make payments, have a look at your schedule, and assign your upcoming courses. And best of all, you can do all this online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the nearest Tecnic school.